Good day, everyone. I am Michelle Anpilones.
And I'm Cherry Anaraliano, and for today we will discuss the process of billing in a hospital. So for the first slide, the billing process is the final phase, which it ensures that the bills of the patient are all paid. The billing office will be the one to process your statement of account upon your discharge, and once your bill is paid, the information will be stored in the patient's file. Next, please. For the billing process, we have the professional fee. So the professional fees is about the doctor's professional fee. This will be a separate printout that includes all such fees that shall be paid at the cashier. Then next is the applicable discount. So if you are about to bill discount like senior citizen and government employee, and which of course only applicable for Filipino citizens, you have to submit a copy of your senior citizen ID as well as a certification of employment if you are a government employee to the billing office because this will serve as your proof. The next slide. For the PhilHealth, it is an advantage for a Filipino or for an individual to have and became a member of a PhilHealth. Filipino patients who are PhilHealth members or at least a dependent can avail a special benefit under this program wherein they will have a deduction on their hospital bill.
Now we have here hospital discharge and billing process. In hospital discharge, a staff in the billing office will start to prepare your final billing upon your confinement and have all the discounts and benefits appropriately deducted. You may proceed or even just send a representative to get your bill and then pay it either cash or credit card. If you are a sponsored or have an insurance or insured by a company, you just have to tell the staff in the billing office that your bill will be settled with your insurance. Last, payment. The cashier office is near the billing and PhilHealth office to easily accommodate patients and relatives on payment transaction. After you pay your bills, you will receive or you will be issued clearance slip to signify that you are cleared with your hospital bills and be discharged the same day you paid your bill. That would be all about the billing process. Thank you and have a nice day.